Another node after displace is warp and DWarp. DWarp means directional warp. For this, I have to after this I have to give some examples. For the warp, as you can see, if you click and drag it, it's more complex than actually it's better than display. And as you can see, it does not work individually. For example, you have to click and drag a hill, and for example, this is on our hill. We want to give an organic shape and noise and change it to this hill. Simply click and drag the output to input of the warp. And as you can see, this is our hill. This is our hill, and this is a warp result of that. Okay, this is a mask, and I think here in its noise, you can change the noise size if you want. You can change the noise size. You can change its strength. As you can see, this strength you can bring it at the edge. You can change the z-axis scale of noise, the noise from the bottom to the up at the top of the mountain. Here in this slope, you can change the z scale. Warp source, we have a different warp source for different generation of the noise. You can choose Voronoi A, Voronoi M. It's a different generator of that. Okay, it's a simple. Perturbation, it's like a chaos. You can change the perturbation of the, you can see if you want to such as these things, interesting, or more noise in mountain. Complexity, you can change it if you want in here. You can see a small details here. For better seeing that, if you have a powerful system, you can make it 2D, 4K, 2K of that. If you want to a smooth or more rough, and you can normalize it. Edge behavior, if you make it to the edge, now as you can see, we don't have any geometry at the edges. You can make it a mirror. You can change the seed and randomly change it. Iteration, it's actually multiplier of that. It's creating more noisy things, more organic shapes of mountain. You can create an alien trained with this warp. And we have a different mode for bitmap, vector field, that I have to give you example, explain them in the examples to better understanding. This node is working to connecting conjunction with other nodes. Okay, so wait for after that we'll finish all of these nodes and come back, and we use all of these nodes for creating interesting terrain, and with that example you learn all of these things better. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.